Today I am reviewing the Dreame D30 Ultra CE robot vacuum and mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're tired of the daily grind of vacuuming and mopping your floors, you are not alone. Keeping up with household dust, pet hair, and dirty footprints can feel like a never-ending chore. Over the last few years, robot vacuums have promised to solve this problem. But let's be honest, older models often required so much babysitting, untangling, and manual cleaning that they barely felt worth the trouble. That is exactly why the Dreame D30 Ultra CE robot vacuum and mop is generating so much buzz right now. This machine represents a massive leap forward into true, hands-free home maintenance. It doesn't just vacuum and drag a wet cloth across your floors. It runs a complete, independent cycle of cleaning, emptying, and washing itself. Let's start with the sheer power under the hood. Most standard robot vacuums on the market offer anywhere between 2,000 and 5,000 pascals of suction. The Dreame D30 Ultra CE completely shatters that baseline by boasting an astronomical 25,000 pascals of suction power. To put that into perspective, this vacuum doesn't just pick up loose dust. It easily tackles heavy household debris, tangled hair, paper scraps, and even dense mess like spilled cat litter from deep inside floor crevices. Through the dedicated mobile app, you can customize this performance by choosing between 5 different suction levels, allowing you to balance power and battery life based on your home's needs. But suction is only half the story. The real magic happens when you look at how it handles the transition between hard floors and carpets. A common flaw with hybrid robot vacuums is that they drag dirty, wet mop pads over your nice rugs. Dreame solved this beautifully with intelligent carpet handling. When the built-in sensors detect a carpet, the vacuum instantly lifts its mop pads up to 0.41 inches. This guarantees that your carpet fibers stay completely dry while the machine seamlessly switches gears. Once it is on the carpet, you can even activate an intensive cleaning mode that ramps up the suction to pull out deeply embedded dust that standard vacuums leave behind. Navigating around your home is another area where the D30 Ultra CE shines. Using precision, laser-guided mapping, it rapidly learns your home's layout on its very first run. It builds accurate smart maps that allow it to plot the most efficient path through your rooms. Its smart obstacle avoidance means it can glide around scattered shoes, toys, and general household clutter without getting stuck. It can even cross thresholds up to 0.79 inches high, moving effortlessly from hardwood to thick tile. Plus, because it relies on advanced sensors, it works perfectly in dim light or even total darkness, so you can let it clean overnight while you sleep. Now, let's talk about the absolute best part of this system, the multifunctional base station and its full self-maintenance cycle. This is a true set-and-forget appliance. When the vacuum finishes its run and docks, the base station automatically whisks away the collected dirt from the onboard 300 milliliter dust box into a massive 3.2-liter dust bag. This bag can hold up to 100 days of collected mess, meaning you only have to think about emptying it a few times a year. At the same time, the base station initiates a self-cleaning washboard system for the mop pads. It uses 20 integrated spray nozzles to deliver a continuous stream of fresh water while the mop pads spin at high speeds against the textured washboard. This scrubs away trapped mud, oils, and debris. Finally, an efficient drainage system extracts the excess moisture, preventing foul odors or mold from developing. It even features hair detangling technology and supports smart off-peak charging to save on your energy bills. Everything is managed effortlessly through a flexible smartphone app. You can block off delicate areas, schedule targeted cleanings for specific zones, adjust moisture levels for different floor types, and even engage a child lock for safety. If you are looking for a premium, heavy-duty cleaning assistant that truly eliminates daily chores, the Dreame D30 Ultra CE is an exceptional investment. It delivers incredible suction, flawless navigation, and a self-cleaning ecosystem that actually works. It is smart, powerful, and gives you back the most valuable thing of all, your time. Thank you for listening, and enjoy your pristine floors.